When you take a day trip in Switzerland, you could go from looking at beautiful landscaping to being on the Swiss Alps looking at snow. Okay, so now we're headed out. We're about to catch a train, and the train has a lot of beautiful views. So I'm looking forward to it. These are the views that you see as you're taking a train ride. Beautiful, beautiful view.
Golden Express train.
This is the countryside of Switzerland. I love traveling the world and seeing everything with my own eyes.